Now here we have another problem that we want to solve. And that's to find the length of B, or the value of B, the length of the base of that triangle here. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because it's a right angle triangle as indicated with the box in the corner here. And we have the length of two of the sides. Now, what does the theorem say? The hypotenuse side square. What's the hypotenuse side? The side that is opposite to the right angle, which is 17. And by the way, it's always the longest side of the triangle. So the hypotenuse side square, which is 17, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. What are the other two sides? One is 15 centimeters. And what's the length of the other? We do not know. It is called B, and one is B square. Now look at my first step there. Everything has a square on it. So the hypotenuse square equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So 15 square plus a B square on one side. Now 17 times 17, 17 square is 289. 15 times 15, that's 15 square, that's 225. Plus B square. So now we need to transpose for the B square, so we can subtract 225 from both sides. So we group the 225 over here. So we have 289 minus 225 equal to B square. And what is 289? Take away 225. That's 64. So B square is equal to 64. In other words, when you square the value of B, you get 64. So which value do you square to get 64? Here correct is 8, or you could say we take the square root of both sides. So the square root of B square is B, and the square root of 64 is 8. So B is 8, which means the base of this triangle here is actually 8 centimeters.